SWBC Mortgage Corporation is committed to ensuring you have a positive home buying experience. As you work with our team and others during this process, we ask you to watch out for phishing scams that may target you. Please exercise great care and vigilance when sharing your personal information and making decisions to transfer money. To help you proactively protect your information and funds, please consider the following advice. Number 1, understand the attack. Cybercriminals target homebuyers using email, phone calls, websites, and text messages. An attacker will attempt to steal your personal information or your down payment or closing funds by tricking you into transferring the funds to an account they control. For example, an attacker may send you an email posing as your real estate agent, title company agent, loan officer, attorney, or other participants stating they are providing the wiring instructions on where to send your closing funds. In many cases, they will do this several days before the scheduled closing, hoping to get instructions to you before the true and valid information is received from your closing agent. Sometimes they wait until a day or two before, or even the day of the closing, and state there's been a last-minute change and you should wire funds to a different account than you were originally instructed to use. Since the attacker controls the account they have provided to you to receive the transfer, the criminal will sweep the money quickly out of the account as soon as the wire is received, before your bank has a chance to recover it. Understanding the attacker's tactics may help you avoid the attack. Number 2, identify the attack. The following indicators may help you spot this scam: communications with incorrect grammar and spelling, or strangely formatted plain text, messages with or without misplaced company or business logos or labels, urgent requests for personal information, or a wire transfer that you weren't expecting, requests from new or unfamiliar email addresses and/or senders and contact names, suspicious attachments, especially those with unusual file names or formats. Number 3, resist the attack. Go slow to move fast. Exercise caution to avoid a costly mistake. Discuss the closing process and money transfer procedures with your real estate or settlement agent before exchanging sensitive personal information or transferring funds. Contact your financial institution for assistance to identify any red flags in the wiring instructions and indications of fraud before you complete a transfer. If you receive an email requesting you transfer money, stop. Call your trusted agents to discuss the transfer on the phone. Do not use the phone numbers, click on links, or open attachments in the message. Do not reply to the message to verify its authenticity, but instead reach out to your trusted agents via phone numbers and/or email addresses you've received from them in other validated communications. Monitor and verify the transfer reached the intended recipient. Contact your bank and law enforcement immediately if you suspect a problem. Avoid using unencrypted email to send financial information like credit card numbers or bank account or routing numbers. Consider alternative methods. Number 4, trust but verify. Understanding the process will protect you. SWBC Mortgage Corporation will never send you any electronic communication with instructions to transfer funds or for you to provide non-public personal information, such as credit card or debit numbers or bank account and/or routing numbers. Verify information or instructions you receive from SWBC using a known good phone number for your loan officer. Protecting your personal information and funds should be your top priority. SWBC stands ready to help you communicate with us safely and securely. Remember, SWBC Mortgage Corporation will never send you any electronic communication with instructions to transfer funds or for you to respond with non-public personal information. If you suspect fraudulent activity related to your real estate transaction, please notify your bank, law enforcement, and your SWBC Mortgage loan officer immediately. At SWBC Mortgage, we are all defenders.